Hello, everyone, and welcome to the last Friday of January 2026. Yes, it is January 30th. Tomorrow's the last day of January, believe it or not. The cold hasn't gone away. And yes, by the look of things, we're going to do some more watercolors today. So today, my pen's going out. There we go. And today what I'm going to show you is a travel set of watercolor brushes that I bought. Oh God, I don't know how long ago now. It's been a while. These things are really cool. They're bigger brushes and they're tough getting out. Okay, so this is how they come. And then you pull it apart, and then here is my round. And you put it in like this, and there you go. Now this also comes with a flat and a filbert. Actually, we'll use the filbert today. I don't know, I like the filbert for some reason. Filbert's a cool brush. Filbert's a cool brush. Now, the only reason why I'm showing you these is because watercolor brushes come everywhere. Now, this, as you can see, is much bigger than what I've been using. Okay, here's what I've been using. So look at the difference. Okay, and that round brush is even bigger. But you can use anything you want. I recommend doing whatever you want to play. So you get it nice and wet. And this is what you do with a bigger brush. Okay, let me see if I can make this a little bigger. There we go, a little bit bigger. So, bigger brush means you get more paint, and watercolors, you get more water. Okay. You still want to watch your water amount, okay? But look at how easy this is to blend and fill up a large space quickly. Yes, those other ones are great for small stuff and details and every other thing. But these big brushes, if you can control them, okay, control them. Look at that. You can still get the little lines. But I'm barely touching, okay? Barely touching. Now, one of the things with this I like, let's use that. A little bit of yellow. A little bit of olive. And look at that. Look how beautiful those trees are. Now, that's not everything. The same stuff mixed with a bright red, little wildflowers, little stuff here. This is just using the side of the filbert. Or if you want to use the front, then what you want to do, get more of your beautiful yellow and add that into there. Turn it orange. Turn it orange. And then you want to put a little bit of that in the lamp. Look at that. This is how you make beautiful, spontaneous, whatever you want in watercolor. Excuse me. But again, you want to control the brush. So, okay. Then I'll use another color here. Let's go with purple. I like purple. Use the same part of the brush, just different amounts of pressure. And that's it. A big brush is not your enemy. It is, and I will say this from experience, very intimidating in the beginning. But do not let being intimidated keep you from using it. You can do all sorts of beautiful things with it. And you're going to be really expressive. And people are going to say, wow, that's an awesome painting. So until tomorrow, I hope everybody has a great Friday. Rest up from your hectic work week like most of us have. And I will talk to you later.